Blow softly on my heart, oh soft wind coming from the past,
Ano nga ba ang climate change? Ang climate change ay ang long-term shifts sa temperatures and weather patterns.
Climate change is not a distant threat. It's happening now. Rising temperature, extreme weather events, and sea level rise are reshaping our planet.
Rise of sea level. As the earth temperature rises, ocean water and warmth expand, increasing its volume.
Extreme weathers, bagyo, tagtuyot, at mga wildfires ay mas lumalala at nagiging common dulot ng climate change.
Isa sa mga pinakamalaking issue na matagal nang usapin ay ang global warming. Ito ay nakakadulot ng pagtaas ng temperatura sa ating planeta.
Ang global warming ay ang resulta ng mataas na konsentrasyon ng carbon dioxide at ibang greenhouse gases na natatrap sa atmosphere ng ating planeta.
With the continuous effects of climate change and no signs of stopping, we have the right to be concerned to our environment and the planet we live in. Remember, climate change cannot be stopped. We can only slow it down. Bilang isang tao, ano nga bang mga safety precautions na dapat natin gawin upang mapabagal ang epekto ng climate change?
Proper waste management, ito ang pinaka-common na ginawa ng isang lugar upang mapanatiling malinis at kaaya-ayang environment at upang maiwasan ang iba't ibang polusyon na sanhi ng basura.
Carbon emissions from the fossil fuel use is the main contributor to global warming because of the excessive amount of greenhouse gases that gets trapped in our atmosphere. So, how do we combat this excessive amount of greenhouse gases? Well, the answer is renewable energy. With renewable energy, we can generate power much more quicker and efficient compared to the traditional use of fossil fuels and other chemicals that can cause air pollution. This is the most popular and the most commonly known source of renewable energy as we know of today. Solar energy is possible because of the technology we use to create the device we call solar panels. These solar panels then have the technology to harvest the power of the sun in order to convert it to electricity. This is a form of renewable energy that harnesses the power of the wind with the towering structures we know as wind turbines. These turbines can generate electricity because of the powerful winds that causes the turbine fans to spin rapidly, causing it to generate electricity. Hydroelectric renewable energy captures the energy of a movement from a river. It is also one of the oldest and the biggest source of renewable energy. Another way to combat climate change is to replant trees. Why do we even suffer from the excessive amount of greenhouse gases in the first place? It's because deforestation is present anywhere in the world, be it legally or illegally. Trees absorb carbon dioxide in order to produce oxygen. This process is what we know as photosynthesis, meaning the more trees we cut down, the less fresh air we breathe. A general rule of thumb to combat deforestation is to replant twice the amount of trees in exchange for what was cut down in order to conserve our natural resources. These are just some of the examples to slow down the effects of climate change. With united action, we can reverse its effects. Together, we can create a sustainable future for generations to come. The time to act is now.